Footing casting by boom placer. Total quantity of concrete is 54 cubic meters. Total time taken for concrete pouring is 2.5 hours. Vibrator is most important for concrete pouring. Freefall height is to be maintained as per his code. Proper water-cement ratio should be maintained for concrete as per mix design. Proper cover block size is maintained by site staff for reinforcement protection. As you can see, the proper vibrator is done by a worker in concrete. At one place, vibration time is maximum 3 seconds. Average pouring rate of boom placer is 20 to 25 cubic meter per hour. After completion of concrete pouring, finishing is most important. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel Folded Hands.